Welcome to this training on Zoho Marketing Automation's contact properties and fields. So here in our dashboard, if we choose View Contacts, this will show us all of our contacts. This tab right here is something new, Contacts by Stage. If you select this, it will show you a Kanban view of your leads and where they are within the marketing stages. I do want to show you how to use these up here. You can have, this will show you your list. If you want to select one of these, you can see the members of your list. Now there is no search bar up here, and so you have to use the filter to search. And so if I want to search for John Doe, I can say advanced, last name, let's do contains Doe, apply. And show this is all the people in our demo system that has the last name Doe. You'll see here we have these columns that show us data, and we can scroll over to see all that are available. And if you want to customize this view, you simply click here and you scroll down, and if you want to add, say, job title, I just add a job title and added it here. We'll click save. And job title should be added back here. What if we want to add job title to the front of this so we do not have to scroll over? We can simply go back into the display field order and drag job title. We'll make him number 2, number 3. And so now we have our job title column. That's all the way up here at the front. So let's jump right into contacts. If we click on any contact, click on our sample John Doe here. This is obviously a lot different than the version 1 of Marketing Automation. And this is a lot of information on one tab, which is great. So here, the associated list, this is going to show you which list this contact is on. They make it easy for you to remove someone from a list just by clicking this X. You can add them to a new list by clicking the plus sign. And what about segments? You can see that John Doe is a member of this nonprofit organization's segment that we created in the previous tutorial. What journeys is John on? Currently, he's not associated with any journeys, but it will show you if and when he is associated. What planners is John a member of? Did he meet some kind of criteria that put him into a planner and we are carrying out a campaign of some type? What about our notes here? Can we add a new note? Plus sign. And so now we can have notes on our contact record here. And so this is kind of at a glance. You can see they were added manually, this date and time. This little ribbon here shows you what their life cycle stage is. And we have these other tabs right here, which we're going to go ahead and jump into. So overview gives you an overview of this contact. So let's jump over to the subscription tab. What do we see here? Indicates if the contact has subscribed to an email communication, subscribed to SMS. So this means, can we email them? Can we SMS them? Subscription history. You can see that we added this person on November the 8th. You can see topics that this person is associated with, which is only this one. Let's see, we can add them to other topics if we'd like. And when we scroll down, you can see that this subscription history has been updated. So subscription tab will give you a high-level view of when they signed up and what topics that they're associated with, and if they receive email and or SMS. Let's jump over to the engagement tab. So this one we do not have any engagement yet, but once you do, you'll start seeing things like people opening up your emails, reading them, date and times, things of that nature. If you come over here to timeline, this is kind of similar to engagements where it shows you everything that this contact has done, right? So if you start down here at the bottom and work your way up, this, you know, did this one first, then this one, then this one, right? So again, up here, you'll see the last 28 days. So if you want to see their entire kind of timeline, right, you're going to do entire duration. It's going to adjust, and then it's going to show you kind of a longer timeline. There are built-in activity filters up here that can help you filter the timeline that's being displayed. Very helpful at getting a glance at how your contacts are interacting with your marketing materials and your organization as a whole. And over here on contact properties, this is what everyone thinks of when they think about contact properties, which is fields, metadata, right? And so one of the great things with this view is there's this new show fields with value, right? So when we select this, it's going to hide all the values that are null. So it just avoids confusion, right? Press that. Now it's only going to show us the fields that actually have data in them, which is a great feature. And finishing up here, if we look at the Zoho profile, you'll see this person is a cold contacts, right? We have three contact temperatures: cold, warm, and hot. And so it will show you the temperature of your contact here. If you press these three dots here, this is where you can edit, export, delete, things of this nature. And so choose this X to close out of the profile, and it will take us back to all of our contacts. So if we look at our contact properties, you're probably wondering, how do I add a new field here, right? If we don't have a field, how do I add a new one in here? If you are synchronized with Zoho CRM, any fields that are synchronized will automatically be created, and merge tags will also automatically be created. But if we want to have a field for a favorite color, we're going to have to add that field and make it available to contacts. So to do that, you click this little X button here, and you click the configuration, this little settings wheel up here, and you come over to contact fields. We're going to say custom field. We're going to say add a custom field. Let's just say we'll do how about a drop down list, pick list. Favorite color, red, blue, green. We'll give this a merge tag value. And create. And now we will have a favorite color for all of our profiles. It will not be in CRM, but it will be here in marketing automation. And so if we go back to our page and we bring up John Doe's record, come to contact profiles, contact properties. Here's our favorite color. We're going to say red. Now we didn't press a save button. We just kind of made our change, and then we left this box. So there is no save button here. So when you do this, you change data, and you get out of the box, you'll see that there will be a pop-up here saying that the field value has been changed. And so this is contact profiles. Again, overview, great summation of all the interactions and things that your contacts are doing with your marketing automation system here.